Now show you the T-Pod deployment on the AWS clouds. So after you have installed your T-Pod, and then you go into this web page and go into the T-Pod dashboard here. Okay, go to the dashboard and choose the T-Pod, and then it will show you what attack have been collected. So we will show you the last 24 hours. We have so many attack here, different attack here. Okay, you can choose over the last month, and this is the last month, the total attack in the last month. So we have also show you what country, what the attacker country, and also the OS, their OS, and the attack surface here. And this is how they record the hacker what login username and also what the password here. The larger the size, that means the more frequent. And this is also the show you the CVE ID. And I will show you the interactive map here. Okay, you go into this one. This is the attack map here. It will show you the real-time instant attack. Okay, because this T-Pod instance is deployed on the east coast of the US, so that you can see the attack from all over the world, from the Europe, from the UK, from the China, and also and other country. Try to launch an attack to this Honeypot. Also, we can log in the Honeypot to see what data the T-Pod Honeypot have collected. So we just SSH to the T-Pod, and the T-Pod will go into the archive. The archive, there's many files here, and each of this file is actually the keystroke of the hacker, so that when the hacker try to log in through the SSH, somehow try to log into this Honeypot, then they will try to capture the keystroke here. So that I pay a keystroke file here. So you see that. So what the hacker have a tie in. They try to download some file from a remote site. Okay, so that this is actually the keystroke of the hacker that's performed in the Honeypot. So that the Honeypot, the T-Pod Honeypot, the Honeypot is capture the keystroke of the hackers, the attackers, so that they download a lot byte here. After you download it, it try to execute the file. Of course, it's not successful because this is a Honeypot, so that even then that the hackers thought that they have downloaded the file, but they cannot execute it. So that this executed command is not found. It's actually not downloaded. So there's many different log file here. Okay, and play another log file. See here, they also try to download some file from a remote site and try to execute it, but of course they cannot execute it because the file is not actually downloaded where in the Honeypot. So, and you can play another log file here. So this is the same, download a file. Okay. Beside the keystroke log, we can also they will archive the download file. When the hacker try to download a file, for example, he download a script file. This script file try to download another file from a remote site and try to execute it. Train mode to X to try to execute. And also, we can each of this file name is a hash. It's a hash of the downloads. Okay, so that we can go into the website. For example, the VirusTotals. The VirusTotals. and then we input the hex of this file, this download file, and then it will report that it have a 35 vendor have been identified. This download file is malware. Okay, we may try another file. Then we go into it and enter the hash of this file, and then it report said that it's a 45 vendor is identified as a malware. So that this is very interesting. If you have time, you can analyze this download file. We can train this binary to see what file they may access. For example, they may access some UTC service